sinisipon na, hindi pa nag-umpisa ang parade. Pero dito outside ng gymnasium, punong-puno na rin ng mga vehicles na po na nakaparada rito. At makikita ninyo sa ating screen na talaga pong siksikan. Hindi lang tao, pati sasakyan dito sa labas mismo ng gymnasium ng Ballesteros. Ayan, nakita natin si Ma'am Baby. Ma'am Baby, say something para sa ating viewers. Ay, hindi makapagsalita si Ma'am Baby. Tongue-tied to tongue-tied. And Ma'am Claire. Oh, yes. FB worms kayo, ha.
Please advertise the Ballesteros Mars and the Ballesteros God's will of time be done. That is our prayer song for Ballesteros, sir.
Okay. When will be launched?
It was already
sang a while ago.
But the formal launching will be on the December 22 during the show.
Okay, that's Ma'am Babes and wishing you the best during our celebration of Ballesteros Day.
99th founding anniversary
99.
Ballesteros. Yes,
Oh,
sir.
we are about to have the century, no? 99 Ballesteros Day. Thank you for the
It will be a
information.
grand celebration.
Okay. Maraming salamat at magpapatuloy tayo sa pag-iikot ng ating camera. Makikita natin all smiles ng ating mga kababayan. Ha? Si Kapitana, saglit lang po. Say something para sa ating viewers. Si Barangay Captain Pascuan ng Centro East.
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to all of you.
And how does it feel to be celebrating the 99th Ballesteros Day, Kapitana?
I'm sorry.
Ha? Natatantay.
At random pa
Okay.
ka
On the spot. This is on the spot.
Mamaya.
Mamaya. I'll catch you later on,
Okay.
Kapitana. Okay. So, si Barangay Captain Jingle Pascuan, nakadlaw ka no. Okay, patuloy mo. Nandun over there is the Barangay Captain of Mabubuan. Hi! Okay. Nakikita natin yung mga prominenteng mga tao po dito sa mismong harapan po ng gymnasium ng Ballesteros. At tuloy, labas-masok ang ating mga kababayan, no? Labas-masok. Oh yes! From Camarines, huwag kayong magtatampo po dahil hindi ko po kayo mapangalanan lahat, ano? But you are on video talaga. Everybody seems to be on video na yan. We are trying to pick up everything sa pamamagitan pa rin ng balloncam.com. Ballesteros. Okay. Ayan, titignan natin kung tumila na ang ulan. Ayan, oh. Kita natin yung mga raindrops falling on their heads. But still, hindi madadampen ng spirit ng celebration natin, no? Amog mo nga nung lumending dyan, sakali mo sumay po. Okay. Happy Ballesteros Day. Okay, sa inyong lahat po na nandito ngayon sa Gymnasium, Happy Ballesteros Day, 99th celebration of Ballesteros. Ang ating pinakamamahal na bayan ng mga superstar. Uy, teko, another man! Okay, nalirinig ko nito ang fireworks. Ang MPDC ng bayan ng Ballesteros is now coming in. Okay, sunod-sunod na sila, no? Parada ng mga sikat na ito. Ito, susunod. Okay, so, antabayan na po ang karagdagang pagbibigay natin ng mga situationers dito sa nagaganap na celebration ng 99th Ballesteros Day ng bayan ng Ballesteros. Ang barangay captain ng Mabutal is here, no? Hi, Happy Ballesteros Day, Kapitan, and ABC President. Ayan, ha? Happy Ballesteros Day. Okay. Ganito na po ang karami ng tao dito sa Ballesteros Gymnasium. Punong-puno from your left to right. Ganito na po karami po ng tao na nakikipag-celebrate sa 99 Ballesteros Day. focus, ladies and gentlemen, ang school band ng Kabuluan Elementary School. They are about to, very much ready and very much eager to have the parade around the town, although the weather is not so friendly, no? But we are giving you a live coverage of this activity. Is the celebration of the 99 Ballesteros Day. Today is the 18th of the month of December, year 2000.